Hey, what's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon. So anytime we upload a new video, you get notified. So in this video, we're going to be looking at the Stanbic IBTC money market funds, how it works, what is required, and how to actually go about it. So basically, the Stanbic IBTC money market fund aims to achieve both stable income generation and capital preservation by investing 100% of the portfolio assets in a high quality short-term securities such as treasury bills, commercial paper, and fixed deposit that are rated BBB and above. So, Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund is registered with the Security and Exchange Commissions. Nigeria as an open-ended unit trust investment scheme and is open to all investors. The underlying assets are subject to withholding tax, right? So you're gonna check on this, which is the invest now or subscribe now, something like that. So some of the benefits are this. So diversification and conveniency and flexible. For diversification, then we have our mutual fund mitigate investment risk by investing across a diverse range of assets, thus avoiding concentration risk. So for the convenience, you can transact from anywhere with our online platform, mobile app, and web portal. And for the flexibility, our array of investment products are designed to suit your financial needs. You can easily subscribe for and redeem your investment, right? So scrolling all the way down, we have the highlights, we have the benefit, we have the how to invest and how you can also redeem. So for the highlight, the Stanbic IBTC Money Market Fund was launched in February 2010. The fund invests 100% of its portfolio in money market instruments such as treasury bill, commercial paper, bankers acceptance, etc. So the fund has a 30 days minimum holding period before you can withdraw. Then the penalty for redeeming within the minimum holding period is 20% on the accrued income. All right. So let's say, like, for example, you put in a million naira now within 30 days, and before the 30-day reach, you wanted to withdraw the money. So all the interest you made within that 30 days, they are going to remove 20% out of it, right? But after that 30 days, they are not going to charge you any amount. So we also have the minimum investment amount is 5,000 naira. Then the distribution frequency is quarterly and it is an open-ended fund. So uh, sorry, the risk profile for the fund is conservative. Then the management fee is 1.5% per annum. I think if you watch our video, the video that where we talk about the top best money market funds, we also discuss more about this. So talking about checking on the benefits, you can see competitive return, professional fund management, online access. Fund can be used to secure a loan with Stanbic Bank platform, then capital preservation, and then the fund is rated AA by August and Co, something like that. So nothing is going to happen to your investment, literally. So how you can actually invest? So either you click the link to open an account. If you don't have an account with Stanbic yet, we are going to provide the link in the description in case you want to sign up. Then we have an alternatively complete this subscription form and submit to any branch of Stanbic IBTC nationwide with the following document. Please note that you are not required to make payment at this stage. Below is the list of items you are to submit with the subscription form. So I'm gonna check on the subscription form so you can check it out. Probably it's a PDF file. I'm gonna check that. So one passport is required for each applicant, then a government issue identity card, national ID card, driver's license, or international passport or voter's card. Then a proof of address showing your name, more of like NEPA bill or something like that. Then this account will be open within one business day and your e-account number will be sent to you via email. So upon receipt of the e-account on number, transfer the amount to be invested to the selected account number found below using your e-account number as a reference or remark etc. So you can invest via the Blue Nest. Our user-friendly platform make it easy to explore and subscribe to a wide range of investment products. Follow these steps to go ahead. So step one is to invest. Um, Access your account by logging in here with your registered email address. Then explore product, browse our investment products and choose the one that suits your goal. Then fund your wallet. Then subscribe by clicking on invest now button and follow the prompts to complete your subscription. So forms and downloads. So I don't know which one, but then I already click on the one that I felt like uh, this form right here. Then this is how to actually redeem your money. So to redeem a part of or all your investment at the time, all you just have to do is to log in to your mutual fund account via web or mobile app and initiate a redemption. The process, the proceed of your redemption will be transferred to your nominated account, bank account within 2 working days. Please note that the daily limit for online redemption is 5 million naira. Then the online redemption service is convenient, flexible, and safe. To activate the online redemption service on your account will require you to print, execute, and submit the consent form and agreement at our office or any branch of Stanbic IBTC branch place closest to you. So alternatively, the completed consent form and agreement can be scanned and forward to mutual funds at stanbicibtc.com. Also, please note that this service is available to individual and joint account holder only. Institutional subscribers, e.g., corporate NGOs, churches, etc., cannot be granted access to this service. Then option two is fill in the redemption form and submit to any of our branch nationwide. The proceed of your redemption will be transferred to your nominated bank account within 5 working days. You can see right there. So I think that is how it works. So they also offer some other services which you might also need. All right. So let's check on the form and see how it looks like. I think okay. So this is the registration form. I think it's 6 pages like that. So this is the first page. You can see IBTC, ETF 30 days, bond, Iman. So there are different so this is the money market fund. So this is the money market fund on the last one. Then you most likely you need to go to the bank to then they're going to guide you through. I believe so. There should be someone that will guide you through on how to go about it. So individual applicants, joint applicants. So you're gonna provide your name. Everything is stated right there. Email address, marital status, your name, country of birth, local government, ID card, issue date, employer's name. So I think these are the things that you need. This is the second page. The bank details, your account number, then scrolling down. So access to online redemption service. Yes, you can choose on yes. Why did you hear about us? So you can select how you hear about them, social media or something like that. So investment objective, probably is for wedding, car, school, housing, holiday, alternative source of income. Others, please specify time frame, value of investment objective. So you can select one that works for you. Income range per annum, how much you earn per year. So you can select that. So just make sure you take your time on it. Then I think this is just there's nothing to okay, there's a consent here where you I buy something like that so that you agree. So you tick the box as it's applicable. Then you scroll down, then date that you are signing, name of the unit holder, then you sign in the presence of someone, occupation, signature, address. I think you need a referee too. So maybe like your wife, your friend, or something like that. So the individual or joint account direct deposit. So since they are not accepting corporate account direct deposit. So then I think there's a lot you actually need on this page. There's a lot to fill in. All right, that there's nothing on this one, this is the last one. So that is how you can actually go about it. So I think it's not really that hard as long as you have someone that will guide you through on how to go about it. So I believe at the end of the day you'll be able to do this conveniently. And if you have any question, can you let us know in the comment section below? And if you already signed up on this platform, what is your experience? We would also like to know. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next one.